Yes, students, open your grammar books on page number 38. On that day, I think so, we did 10 sentences now. The school is in need of money to construct the new building. Okay, 12 we have done. So now let's start with the 13th one. Yes. Yes, beta. Pick a number behind 1 and 10. Yes. 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 After. So, beta, 13 sentence exercise 4. 13 sentence. We have to underline the word, the preposition behind, and we have to write after. Right? And after that, next one is at night we had a shower with rain. Yes, Pratiksha. In no, in rain no. Yes. Online students, you can type your answer in chat box, beta. Yes, underline with and what is the answer? Oh, very good. So 14 sentence we have to underline the preposition with and what is the answer? Of. And next one come to the 15th one. Is it far from Delhi to Jaipur? Yes, Kamal. Cross. This is right. So 15th one you have to put cross, no whispering class. 16th is they are walking among the beach. Do you think among the beach is correct one? Yes. Along. Along. Yes. Among. You have to underline the preposition among. And what is the answer? Along. Along. Now come to the next one, 17. My neighbor always parks his car before my garage. Yes. Yes. Before in.
Vodafone Idea सिर्फ पंजाब चल दो पंजाब इधर नहीं चल
I hope the concept of preposition is clear to all now. Okay. So the next one is we are having. But say please mute yourself. Mute yourself, everyone. Sorry. Next one is we are having a party at Shanti house. Yes, Lakshita. Cross. Cross. Now come to the 19th sentence. Two old ladies were sitting opposite us in the bus. Yes, Anish? Why cross? Yes. Beside to us, or we can say that to us. two old ladies were sitting to us in the bus, beside us in the bus, in front of in the bus. So more than two options are correct, or we can put somewhere cross also. Sitting opposite to us in the bus is somewhere also right, right? So next one is, give me pencil, please. Next one is, John kept his suitcase behind his seat in the train. Yes. Behind his seat in the train. We can say that, but behind is also correct. We can put cross over there also. है ना? अब suitcase वो under तो नहीं रखेंगे. Now we have the modified trains with us, right? So this is all about your preposition, my dear students. I hope the concept of preposition is clear to all, and all the confusing words जो थे हमने discuss करे वो भी clear हो गए हैं. So now let's start with one new concept. For orally, I told you na कि both these words they are for the direction. So yes, students, now we will start with the vocabulary. So open your book on page number 118. Yes, you all have to open your book on page number 118. Hurry up. Yes, now we will start with the vocabulary part. So you all must listen the vocabulary very carefully, and I think so this will not helpful for you for this class only, but for the life, right? So 20 words we have already done now. Yes. So let's start with the 21st one. Unit 28. Take out your pencils, please. And side by side, you all have to write down their simple meanings, right? So, beta, in your PT3, we have vocabulary from 21st word. The word, sorry. The very first one is greed. 21st word is greed. Yes. So this is a very simple word. I hope you all know the synonym and the meaning of the word greed. Who will tell me? What is the meaning of greed? Okay, in English, what we have to say, lalach. तो हम कहते हैं इसको. Yes, Aisha. Remove your mask and speak loud. Desire है बेटा, वो लिखा हुआ. Desire to have more, वही कि greed हम किसको कहते हैं? When we have a desire, means when we have a will. जब हमारे पास ये इच्छा होती है कि मेरे को ये भी मिल जाए, ये भी मिल जाए, and it will be in any of the case. So किसी भी चीज में हो सकता है, but हम greed specifically जो word है वो materialistic चीजों के लिए ज्यादा यूज करते हैं. Materialistic means to say कि suppose you have, we can say that the Swift car, right? अब आप सोचते हो कि मेरे पास Endeavor आ जाए, मेरे पास Fortuner आ जाए. So this is the type of greed, right? And if we have suppose a house of 4 bedroom, हम सोचते हैं कि मेरे पास 8 bedrooms वाला house आ जाए और big house आ जाए. So this is a type of a greed. So materialistic things में हम greed word को थोड़ा ज़्यादा use करते हैं. So we can say that in our we can say the synonyms of the greed are somewhere hunger and selfishness also. And here hunger ये means नहीं है कि हमें किसी चीज के खाने की भूख है. वो भूख जो कि हमें मनी के लिए ज्यादा उत्साहित करती है, right? So write down the synonyms of the greed is hunger, 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 and oblique डाल के साथ में you can write down selfishness. Selfishness. Word is clear to all? Yes. Yes, online students, concept is clear. Vocabulary concept is clear to all. Materialistic होता है बेटा जब हम मटेरियल वाली चीजों के पीछे भागते हैं. जैसे कि suppose if you have a simple phone, है ना, हम सोचते हैं कि मेरे पास iPhone हो जाए. अगर we have iPhone, we can say that 10 Pro और हम सोच रहे हैं कि मेरे पास 12 भी हो जाए. So this is the meaning of materialistic things. अभी जो मैंने आपको एग्जांपल्स दी, हाउस की दी, कार की दी, so इन सब चीजों को materialistic things बोलते हैं, right? One is materialistic word and one is the spiritual. Spiritual means to say जब हमारे पास बहुत कुछ है, but still हमारा जो मन ना वो contented है, हमें किसी चीज की जरूरत नहीं है, हमारे मन में किसी चीज की और किसी चीज को एक्स्ट्रा पाने की कोई इच्छा नहीं है. Am I clear? So next one is grief. Have you all written the synonyms of greed? Hunger, or we can say that selfishness. अगर इस तरह का आपके पास कोई और भी word आ जाता है, then I think so it's clear to all कि what is the meaning of greed now. Okay, next one is grief. Yes. ग्रीफ वर्ड वैसे हम बेसिकली वहां पे यूज करते हैं जब हम बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्सेस में सैड होते हैं, राइट? सो वी कैन से दैट इंटेंस सॉरो. इंटेंस मींस बहुत ज्यादा, राइट? जब हम एक्सट्रीम वे में, कभी कभी हम बहुत ज्यादा उदास हो जाते हैं ना, या कभी हमारे पास कुछ हैपनिंग्स ऐसी हो जाती हैं हमारी लाइफ में जब हम बहुत ज्यादा बैड फील करते हैं, सैड फील करते हैं. So we can see there we can use this particular word grief, right? Intense sorrow. Intense means बहुत ज्यादा. Sorrow word is also correct. अगर sorrow word अकेला आता तो it is also correct. Sad word अकेला use करते हो then it is also correct. But grief word के लिए we can use intense sorrow. Write down the spellings now. I-N. Right answer, lovely. I-N-T-E-N-S-E. Intense sorrow. S-O-R-R-O-W. Sorrow. Clear? Sadness. Sorrow का मतलब sadness. और ये sorrow word आपने Happy Prince में भी पढ़ा होगा. Yes. He was in grief. जब वो जा नहीं पाता और जब वो Happy Prince को देखता है उस कंडीशन में, या Happy Prince अपने वो सारे टॉल कॉलम में खड़े होके वो सिटी को देखता है, then he fall in grief, right? Sorry. Next one is hesitate. Hesitate is a very simple word. I think so maximum many times I think so teachers are also using this word. Don't hesitate, try to give answer. What is the meaning of hesitate? Yes. Okay. To stop, जब हम एक तरह के साथ स्टम्बल हो जाते हैं, हम किसी भी चीज में एक तरह के साथ एक पॉज ले लेते हैं, तब हम कहते हैं कि हम उस चीज में हेजिटेट कर रहे हैं. हेजिटेट का मतलब क्या होता है नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में? राइट, सॉरी. जब हम एक तरह के साथ किसी भी चीज से मतलब थोड़ा सा हिचकिचाते हैं, मतलब अगर आपको कई स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं क्लास में, दे नो द आंसर ऑफ वन पर्टिकुलर थिंग बट स्टिल दे फील हेजिटेड टू रेज देयर हैंड कि अगर मेरा रॉन्ग हो गया मैम क्या कहेंगे या मेरे फ्रेंड्स क्या सोचेंगे, इन दिस वे. सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हेजिटेशन, राइट? तो हम एक पॉज ले लेते हैं, हमें आंसर आता, हम हैंड सोचते नहीं मैं आंसर करूं, स्टिल हम अपना हैंड नीचे ही रखते हैं कि अगर मैम पूछेंगे तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज नो. Right, Anish? Next one, so write down its meaning, beta. Stumble. S-T-U-M-B-L-E. Stumble. And you all have to use pencil. You people are not supposed to use pen on your books, okay? Stumble. S-T-U-M-B-L-E. Stumble. And put a slash and write down one more word for it. Pause. P-A-U-S-E. Pause. Understood? Next one is beta hinder. Hinder. H-I-N-D-E-R. Hinder. Yes, Harnoor? Sorry? No. क्या होता है किसी भी चीज के बीच में? क्या होता है, हम कहते हैं ना एक रुकावट सी आ गई, एक बाधा सी आ गई किसी भी काम को करते हुए. It means hinder. Am I clear? So we can use the word here obstruct. Obstruct word आपने में भी सुना भी होगा ना? Abstract, abstract is a noun. Obstruct. O-B, write down. But mute yourself. O B S T R U C T, obstruct. O B S T R U C T, obstruct. Clear? Hinder. और अगर आपको कोई मीनिंग डिफिकल्ट लगता है then you can write in a simple language also, कि अगर आपको हिंडर और ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट थोड़ी देर बाद भूल ही जाए कि क्या था. Now come to the 25th word. It is humble. What is the meaning of humble? Yes. Gentle, we can say that. Modest, respectful. जो पर्सन बहुत ही ज्यादा मतलब एक नम्र भाव पे होते हैं ना, मीन्स टू से कि बहुत ज्यादा पोलाइट वे में वर्क करने वाले होते हैं, राइट? सो वी कैन से दैट humble. So write down respectful, respectful, why are you not writing? Write down the meanings, hurry up. Obstruct. And you all should speak in English. Try to be speaking English. Yes, now write down the meaning of humble, beta. Respectful, no. Modest, put slash, and the next one is modest. M-O-D-E-S-T, modest, right? Next one is imitate. This is very simple word. Imitate. Yes, Ankita. To copy. किसी को भी मतलब जब हम कहते हैं कि नकल सी करते हैं किसी के, to copy. So we can say that to copy, we can use the simple word over here, to copy, and ape. Ape word, it also means the same. Yes, it means to copy. Next one is incident. What is the meaning of incident? Yes, Naman. Speak loud. Unpleasant. Okay. Incident. Yes. एक तरह के साथ कुछ happening होनी, किस कोई fact होना. So we can say that incident. So write down happening. Write down its meaning, beta. Happening. Oblique. Fact. 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 Okay. And the next one is happening. Fact. Have you done? Kind वो पर्सन होता है, बट उसका मीनिंग नहीं होता. द पर्सन हम्बल ऑब्वियसली वो काइंड भी है. Remove your mask and speak loud. Slash. Yes. Humble. Humble here is respectful and modest. No jealous. Jealous क्यों होगा? Yes, 29th word is beta jealous. What is it? Sorry, irritate. What is the meaning of irritate? Huh. Annoy. Yes, annoy word is very simple. You all know that. So write down annoy. What is the spelling of annoy? Yes, to annoy someone, to annoy, right? Next one is jealous. No. jealous. Yes. Okay, it's somewhere right, but you people are not supposed to write a long, we can say that the sentence. Yes, Darsh, you know what is the meaning of jealous? This is a chinna, okay, but you have to speak in English. Give one word in English for me to a class. Yes, good, Simon. Can we use the word envious? Have you ever listened? Envious. Write down ENVIOUS. It is synonym of jealousy. E. Yes. ENVIOUS. Envious. Right? It means jealousy. Clear? That is a different fire, but here jealousy means to say कि जब हम internal किसी से कुछ bad सा feel करते हैं, right? It means that. So yes, now the next one is beta. Next one is kidnap, to take away something. Yes. Anything else? Or we can say that hold for. किसी को पकड़ के रख लेते हैं जब हम, वो भी तो किडनैपिंग ही होती है. Hold for. You can write down hold for also. Hold for. Yes. HOLD. Hold for. FOR. Hold for. Okay. So yes, class. Now listen to me. On your book, you have to frame one easy sentence of all the 10 words. Use your online frame one sentence of greed, then grief, hesitate, hinder, and after that we will discuss. Right? I'll give you time. Time starts now. Hurry up. On book, beta. Okay, now let's start. Who will tell me one sentence on the word greed? Yes. Okay. Yes. He is a very greedy person. Okay. Yes, Tiffany. We should not be greedy. She is very greedy. Okay. Next one is grief. Now, Navdeep, give me your notebook in recess. Only one notebook is there, na? Check, beta. Yes. Frame one sentence on grief. Yes. Bhumika. She is in grief. You can mention somewhere reason also, okay, why he or she is in a grief, na? Yes.
He was in a grief because he got grandma.
Okay. Okay. Use the word grandfather or grandmother. It's somewhere better. Right. Next one is hesitate. Hesitate. Yes. She is very hesitate. Why? Yes, online students, you have to type in chat box, beta. In this assignment. After this, you must have to do, right? Yes. Yes, beta. She is hesitating to give answer. Okay. Yes, Lakshita, right. I hesitate to do the work, right. Next one is hinder. Hinder. Yes. Any sentence on hinder, who will frame? Yes. What is the meaning of hinder? Tell me. Obstruct. है ना, जब हम किसी चीज बाधा है, रुकावट है, we can say that. Yes, Yajat.
There are many hindrances in the way of success.
Very good. There are many hinders in the way of success. Very right. Appropriate. Humble. Yes, Piyush. Humble. What is the meaning of hinder? Yes, Angel, tell me what is the meaning of hinder? काम को मुश्किल में नहीं डालना, जब हमारे काम में किसी भी तरह की कोई भी ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट्स आते रहते हैं, है ना, रुकावटें आती रहती हैं किसी ना किसी वे से, तो इट मींस यस वी कैन से दैट. यस पीयूष. Yes, Suksham.
He is very humble to everyone.
He is very humble to everyone, right? And what about this A line? You all are sleeping? Huh? Why you people are not raising your hand? Try to give answer.
Be humble to everyone.
Yes, be humble to everyone. Imitate. Yes, online students, type your answer in chat box, beta. Have you all framed the sentence or not? Next one is irritate. Imitate. Sorry, first of all, imitate. Yes. He always imitates. Very good. And who is that he? You have to write his name. Next one is incident. Yes. Yes. Malik. No. Yes, bro. No. Yes. Incident. Incident. Yes. That incident was so dangerous. Which that incident? You have to mention any name for that incident. Yes, Yajat? No. Yes. Online students. Incident. Okay, so you all try for these three. So that's all from my side, students. Thank you.